Hi, this is Mary from Reviewer's Diary, coming to you barefaced once again because I'm going to use products that I pick out of the current project that I'm currently working on. Current. I already taped this, at least I thought I did, and then the camera shut itself off and said, if you'd like to record a movie, press X. So I don't know if I just turned the camera on and didn't tape or what, so I'm going to start all over again. I am like a total project pan loser. I never seem to finish anything because I'll be like, oh, I don't want to use that. Look at the pretty thing I'd rather use. And I, gravitate to something else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, one of the project pans that appealed to me was, since I have such a large collection of stuff and I really need to start using it, is I wanted to start doing a rolling, not like 2020, 2021, 2020, forever. Until my collection gets down to a normal size collection, which I would consider a few blushes, a couple highlighters, a bronzer, that kind of stuff. So there is a project pan out there that appealed to me, and it's called Whole Collection Project Pan, with hashtag WCPP. That's all great. Most of them are for the year 2020. I don't see anybody doing 2021 yet, but I did see one that was undated, but not a rolling project. So what I want mine to be called is Rolling Whole Collection Project Pan. So basically what that means is every type of item that I own, I created a little slip of paper, and here comes my Hello Kitty bank. I used this once before when I had a rolling pan and it was pretty successful, but you can hear the little slips of paper in there. And that includes, I'm going to run down the list. I picked 15. I did pick off camera. I thought when I thought I was on camera. I could start all over again if you guys want me to. Maybe I should. Yeah, I'll start all over. Okay, so since I don't think I recorded me picking the paper and all that, I think I'm going to start all over again. I'm going to throw everything in here. For the sake of authenticity, not easy to get the lid on. It's not supposed to be easy to get into a bank, is it? So you can hear the pieces of paper are inside. I'm going to put the items that I pick into this bin, which I bought, I think it was at Marshall's a long time ago. And I wish I had gotten more of them because they're perfect size for just about every part of your life. So anyway, I'm going to put that aside. God. Oh, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick 15. It's always going to be 15. So anyway, there's my pieces of paper. I have about 30 types of things listed so that, it goes anywhere from the very first step of skincare all the way through makeup setting spray. I'm not including mascara because mascara is a finite item that you can only use for a couple months, and I currently already have a couple that I'm using. Okay, so we'll use the cap to hold the 15. And the first item is an eyeliner pencil. Wait a minute, eyebrow pencil. So there's one. Okay, a liquid eyeliner. It's number 2. Okay, a full-size foundation or CC cream or a mini size foundation. I think I might pull a full size and a mini. Okay, next item. Let's see, picking from the way bottom, a liquid lipstick, which I have plenty of. And any item from a subscription box, skincare or makeup. a blush, any cream or powder. I'll probably pick a cream because they go bad so fast. Pencil eyeliner, which I do use pencil frequently. How many is that now? One, let's see, maybe I should have picked my 15 out and then read them off to you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8 to go. So I'm going to pull the 8 and then I'll read them off to you. There's 1. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that'll make 15. So I already have 7, and these are the 8 more. Now I have a little piece of paper on my leg threatening to fall over. One of them is a lip gloss, which I have plenty of, and any mini skincare item. Let's see, face mask. Post makeup fix spray, which I have a couple of those. That's good. Concealer, good. We always need concealer, don't we? Don't I? Concealer. Okay, any item I have multiples of. I have a couple things that are multiple. You know, they have to be exact item multiple, not like I have multiple foundations, so I'll pick one of my foundations. No, anything that I actually have multiples of. One of my Korean skincare items. Got an awful lot of makeup and not a lot of skincare here. And cleansing balm. So I am going to go and pull all that stuff and I will come back shortly. Okay, I'm back and I have my 15 items. It seemed like it ended up being like a third skincare and two-thirds makeup. So I'm gonna go over each thing in this tub of stuff. So these are the 15 items that I'm gonna be using up. And as I use things up, I'll be rotating another item in. So this is going to be continuously running, starting today through like for a long time. So anyway, these are the items and I'm going to go over each and every one of the things in this bin. For my cleansing balm, I did pick the Pixi cleansing balm. And I have about 2/3 of it left. You can see that I did hit the bottom of this, and I do like it, but it's not my favorite. One of my Korean skincare items. So I picked out the Klairs serum because it's like very plain and would go with basically this skin reset that I'm using. It has good ingredients in it, but it's not like, I don't think there are any actives in it. Next thing is, I'll tell you, my house is nothing but chaos. Next thing I have is a face mask, and what I did pick out was this Julep night shift. It's been lingering in my drawer waiting to be used. It is a night sleeping mask, so yeah, I don't know why. Oh, it's just an Amazon truck next door. But anyway, this will be my Korean skincare item. I mean my face mask item. And finally, the last thing was any mini skincare item. And this is not so many. It is 0.67 fluid ounces and it's Resurfacing Glycolic Unicorn Root Cleanser. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't use this because of the Skin Reset. I'll use it, what the hell. So anyway, that's my any mini skincare item. Now if that creates irritation, I will have to take it out, that's all. Okay, so moving on to everything else, which is basically all makeup. Any item I have multiples of will be the first one. And I do have multiples of this Estee Lauder. It's got number 1 on it from when I numbered everything, but it's Estee Lauder, and it is a foundation that's about 0.5 fluid ounces. So it's kind of like, this is the normal size for their cushion foundation, but it's more like half the size of a regular foundation. So I don't know. It's got a weird delivery system. It's not exactly a cushion. It's a thing that you push up. My liquid eyeliner, I'll be using up my 24/7, and this is in the color Revolver. And the next item is a concealer, and I decided to use up my Shape Tape because it's not my favorite. It's not like the most, it's not the thing that hides everything the most, but I have found a way to apply it that I really like. The next compartment, I have a eyebrow, face spray, and a full-size foundation. So we'll start first with the eyebrow pencil. And I've had this, this is a Lancome. It's like a blonde color, which is perfect. It was matched to me and absolutely perfect. But I can't buy it again because Lancome, and Lancome at this time is not cruelty free, and I bought this before I went cruelty free, but I want to use that up. The next item is a face makeup spray. I'm going to mark everything with black Sharpie, by the way, just so you know, everything will be documented properly. And I still have about, let's see, I did put this in another project, but the mark wore off, or this is the last one I had. I had bought a 2-pack, and this is about half full. This is my favorite, absolute favorite face makeup spray. It really does work best. I've used a lot of different ones, but I definitely want to use this one up. And I'll buy another one in the black bottle. Of course, by then they might come out with a white bottle again. Who knows? Then I picked out a full-size foundation. I could have picked a full-size foundation or CC BB cream or a mini size. So I decided to pick a full size because this is going to go bad. This is my Tarte, it's the makeup in a jar. Now I don't use my fingers in this. I use a little spatula. So the full-size foundation I picked is because it's going to go bad. And it is the, it's in the color Light Sand, which is really, oh, I have my glasses right here. It is the Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation. It's more cream than gel, by the way. But it looks really nice on me, and I really like this foundation a lot. But I guess the gel just didn't, you know, the jar didn't go over very well because people were thinking, oh, it's finger, blah, blah, bacteria. Anyway, there are enough preservatives in here to kill any bacteria that could possibly decide to live in it, but it is going to go bad soon because it is older. So you can see it's down a little bit, but I do want to start putting makeup on despite the fact that we're all trapped inside. Okay, any item from a subscription box. That was this Floss eyeshadow. Now, I got this in a subscription box, an Allure subscription box. I've used it a few times, but it's not down very far at all. So, yeah. I like it as a single eyeshadow look. It looks really nice. And blush, creamer, powder, and I did pick this Wander Beauty. This also came in a subscription box, but I've been using my creams because I know they're gonna go bad, so I'm trying to use them. Okay, next thing is a pencil eyeliner. Okay, so this is Marc Jacobs pencil liner. Okay, so for pencil liner, I did pick this Marc Jacobs pencil liner. It is wound all the way down to there, and it actually, I'm afraid to wind it all the way up to measure it because I'm pretty sure it's going to die. I'll totally run out of spare time. I will come back and put this makeup on. So anyway, I needed a last two things are a liquid lipstick, and I did pull something out that I haven't been, let me just smell it and make sure. Yeah, it's fine. I just recently opened this one from Ulta. So it's Ulta Nourishing Lip Color. So it's basically a liquid lipstick. And the last thing, which I have not opened yet, I haven't taken the plastic off of, and if it smells bad when I unwrap it, I'll replace it and come back on here. But anyway, the last thing is a lip gloss, and I picked this outlandish gold lip gloss, and it's from Beauty for Real, so I am really curious to see how this looks on top of like a bold lipstick. So I am actually pretty excited about this one. I think I can be successful. At least that's the goal, obviously. I think I can be successful at this one. So anyway, I will come back and I'll have a separate get ready with me. I should have just had makeup on for this one, but I thought I'd have more time. I'll do a separate get ready with me with the items that are in here, along with anything else I need to fill. Of course, the skincare items are not going to stay in this bin, but they will go into a separate bin with my things that are going to be used up. So, anyway, thank you for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I hope you didn't mind the bare face, no makeup look, but I had planned to put on this makeup. But now the dog is going out of his mind, so I have to cut this video short, and I will come back after I finish an item. I will probably I'll mark everything with a Sharpie, but I will probably be back with updates probably bi-monthly, unless something is emptied, and then I'll come back right away because I'll have to replace the item. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I put all my little slips of paper back in the Hello Kitty can. If you'd like to join me on this, please do say so and let me know what you're going to do, if you're going to record a video or if you're just going to do it, like some of my subscribers, they do it, you know, they just give me updates when I give updates. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. God, I look awful. Thank you and have a beautiful evening. Good night.